Welcome to part 2 of the Global Youth Excellence and Leadership Program, a transformative academic experience where advanced learning meets real world leadership. This next phase of GYEL is designed for students who are ready to move beyond theory into action, innovation, and global impact. Whether you're developing a university level research paper or launching a social enterprise aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, GYEL Part 2 equips you with the tools, mentorship, and global network to turn your ideas into lasting change. GYEL Part 2 mirrors the academic rigor of the world's top universities. The program consists of a structured series of thematic modules. Each topic is explored through Ivy League style lectures, hands-on assignments, and weekly mentorship during office hours. You will attend a 3-hour advanced lecture per topic and engage deeply with global complex systems, high-stakes negotiations, and the ethical dimensions of leadership in a rapidly changing world. The GYEL Part 2 curriculum is designed to foster critical thinking, research excellence, and real-world problem solving. Students explore core ideas including research paper process, policy writing and youth-led advocacy, public diplomacy and soft power, and the Global Solutions Initiative, finalization, and portfolio development. Each module builds the intellectual, analytical, and communication skills necessary to excel in academic and leadership environments. As a capstone type assignment, students complete the Global Solutions Initiative, choosing between an original research paper that demonstrates independent analysis, academic maturity, and global relevance, or a social enterprise prospectus outlining an initiative designed for measurable impact and alignment with global needs. All final projects include a 1-page abstract or executive summary suitable for resumes, portfolios, or college applications. Upon successful completion of Part 2, you may be eligible for a wide range of academic and professional advantages, including letters of recommendation from UN officials, publication opportunities in academic journals, official memoranda of endorsement for viable social enterprises, formal program verification for university applications, LinkedIn credentials and resume enhancements, and recognition within the GYEL United Nations ecosystem. These distinctions signal not only academic excellence, but a demonstrated capacity for leadership, research, and global citizenship. In an increasingly complex world, the ability to think critically, act ethically, and lead effectively is more important than ever. GYEL Part 2 does more than prepare you for college. It prepares you to contribute meaningfully to international dialogue, policy, and innovation. This is a credential, a foundation, a launch pad for global leadership. You are part of a community of high-potential students from all around the world who will shape the future. Take the next step in your leadership journey with GYEL Part 2.